Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the International Fishery Expo happening at NESCO in Goregaon, Mumbai. And we have with us Mr. Vivek Kolle, who is the chairman of Sanjeevani Group. And he will be telling us exactly what is Sanjeevani Group is doing and what is his theme concept in this project.
So
Vivek Kolle.
basically, in our Sanjeevani group, we are having few verticals: education, liquor, sugar, distillery, chemicals, and agro-based industries. So this is part of the agro-based industries, wherein we have poultry, dairy, and fisheries. So basically, in this fisheries, we have the sole purpose of this is empowering farmers through fisheries. So as you know, our per capita income of farmers is hardly 11,000 rupees, which is way below the national average of 20,000. So how to empower them? This is the way out. We have empowering farmers through farm ponds as well as fish ponds, hardly of a size of 5,000 square foot, and earning between 3 lakh to 5 lakh per annum, which is way higher than the national per capita income. So we give right from hatchery to harvesting, all the solutions we have with us. We are training our farmers to do so, and also the market interface we are doing using the technology as of now, using artificial intelligence and sustainable model we have developed, using more of a natural feed, algae or whatever natural feed we can produce in those fish ponds. That is the whole holistic approach we are taking as of now, and we are very much successful in it. And in coming months, around 3,000-4,000 farmers we are onboarding on this project, and hopefully we will be able to succeed in it.
So how government is helping you, sir?
So basically, government Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana is one of the flagship program which they have established. 20,000 crore is the amount which central government under the leadership of Narendra Modi is spending on this. Another 6,000 additional they are given to the same scheme. And as far as Maharashtra government is concerned, they are coming up with a new Mukhyamantri Matsya Sampadan Yojana, which will be also on the lines of Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampadan Yojana. We have got NDDB 25 lakh worth subsidy for a project of around 1.5 crore, 1 to 1.5 crore for hatcheries, wherein we will be having our Indian major carbs, Rahu, Katla and all, we will be supplying it through our hatchery. Surprisingly, hatcheries, our Maharashtra's requirement is 70-80 crore of fingerlings, but we are only producing 7 to 8 crore fingerlings as of now. Even for our project, we had to fly those fingerlings all the way from Kolkata to Pune and then to our farmers. So we are working on those lines as well. We will be in the coming months, we will be having our own hatcheries for the same as well.
Thank you so much, sir, and wish you all the
Yes,
best in
thank
all
you
your
very much.
ventures.
Sure.